It's officially fall. It's 7 a.m. I'm on my way to work. And as you can see, it's not even light yet. Things were really different a couple of weeks ago. So I saw a couple of vlogs, people drinking pumpkin spice lattes. And I thought to myself, just because it's September doesn't mean that it's fall. Or was I wrong? So I'm out here. It's semi-raining. The weather is horrible, but it's just not raining. It's really dark, it's clouded, but it's not cold and it's not raining, so it's perfect. Look at this. There's nobody. It's an introvert dream. I can just walk here for hours without meeting anybody. So yeah, I'm really liking this. Also, I thought it was going to rain. This is my rain outfit. I had this jacket for ages, and I think it will do. There's the cap that will prevent the rain from falling down my face directly. And yeah. So basically, this is my plan for fall. Possibly winter. We'll see how that goes. But my plan is also to start running next month if everything goes well. So far so good. I've been keeping up with a 4K, so I'm pretty confident that I'll be running soon. Slow runs, like 2K runs and then 2K walks, and then gradually, start running 4K, 5K. I'm pretty excited about it. Good morning, amazing person. It is a beautiful morning. It's a little different than usual. I spent the morning editing. I got up early. It's now 10 o'clock and I was behind, so I could really use this time. I meditated first and then I was really in a good state to do a lot of hours of editing. And right now I'm gonna get up and I'm gonna have my first coffee. After that, a shower. And today is actually interesting because I'm going to a family day. I haven't been to any family day ever. So I'm going to meet a lot of new people, a lot of family actually. And we're having a family tree that we're going to go through. So hopefully I'll find out more about my family because there's a lot I don't know. And so the introvert in me is like, oh, new people, but I think it's going to be a fun day, very social, but I'm gonna get through it. And tomorrow I can recharge. I'm going on a walk with my bestie, so that will be fun. And so that's basically what the weekend is going to look like. But first, let's do coffee. Currently doing some more editing because why not? It's almost 12 o'clock now, so I'm gonna stop for now and I'm gonna get that shower that I promised myself a couple of hours ago. Sunday. Yesterday was great. I met so many people that I didn't know were family. I even saw people that I already knew, but I didn't realize that they were actually family members. So that was so interesting to me. And we're definitely going to add each other on social media, stuff like that, and keep in touch. And once a year, we plan on having a family day like this. So that's pretty great. Not too much of a commitment. Once a year is just perfect. And as expected, I'm totally drained from all of the people that I met, all of the impressions, being around so many people. Right now, I'm meeting up with my bestie. We're going for a long walk to catch up, which is great. It's just a thing that I need. Just be around a person that understands me and just talk, walk, nothing complicated. So I'm really looking forward to this. I have to wait 7 minutes until the subway arrives. I guess I wasn't really awake because I took the subway instead of the bus that I should be taking. This is the actual bus that I need to take. So I'm 20 minutes late. Yeah. We're almost back to the real world. Civilization. I didn't walk at all yesterday, so I have to walk twice the distance that I'm supposed to be walking, so at least 8K. And I think we did a lot more than that. I'll insert a picture of what we walked and the route that we took, but it was a lot. It really was a lot. But it's beautiful out here. The weather is so great. I really enjoyed every single step that we took. I'm gonna go to my mom now. We're going to have some coffee, I think. That's also something to look forward to.